Flashing, I hear the thunder roar somewhere on the dark side of town. Maybe he's with another, the wind is howling on. I should be with her right now. Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe from home? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down. So about her, she's afraid of storms. She needs someone, he's her mind. She needs someone to love her, to keep her safe and warm. Someone who's patient and kind. Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe and warm? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe and warm? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down.